Get ready with me as I talk about what the process was like moving to the US. Yung nanay ko, nag-apply siya for an employer-based visa. This type of visa already means that you have an employer here in the US. Tapos sila na yung parang nagmamanage lahat para makapunta ka dito. The job that she got here, nurse na siya talaga. Pero, kailangan mo ma-meet yung mga requirements nila. First, you had to pass the NCLEX. You also needed to have 3 years of experience as a nurse. Tapos, kailangan mo din makapasa ng English test. IELTS yata yung nakuha ng nanay ko. Pretty much, once you have an employer, they're gonna give everything to the embassy, like your application and things like that. If you don't have an employer, ayos lang yan. Madami namang agency sa Pilipinas that can do the exact same. Mga agency, they can pretty much pay for anything. Yung mga apartment mo, even your flights going to the US. For the apartments, mga 2 to 3 months nila yung babayaran. So may catch yun. Kailangan mo magstay sa work na yun for 2 to 3 years. After getting approved, which took us like 7 months, first thing you'll be doing is to get a medical exam. We went to St. Luke's specifically. In that medical exam, naka-anim yata akong turok. Dalawa dito, tapos tig-isa sa hita ako. After you get approved and everything is all set, you would need to do the interview next. Itong interview na to, ito na yung nasa US Embassy na kayo, tapos yung kausap nyo na yung mga foreigners talaga. After getting approved for the interview, ang kailangan mong sunod ay puntahan yung PDOS. DOS is basically Pre-Departure Orientation Seminar. Mostly yung seminar na to para sa mga magulang lang or 18 and above. And everyone's experiences are different and you can't really compare my experiences to everybody, but that's how we got here. Truly, I don't know if I explained that well, but yeah.